Eggy Ben. I'm joined by Daniel in his humble abode, and I've got a selfie stick. Seems so far away, but this video today is going to be me and Dan reacting to funny animals making funny sounds and noises compilation on Facebook, not on Facebook, on YouTube by Meow Fanchu. So let's see how it goes.
Let's get on.
Why the fuck did you do that? It's a horse, by the way, it's a horse. Why? Why is this a bit... I think it's quarters, though. Is it quarters? They're just absolutely retarded. Oh god. Cat.
Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow.
This one's great.
Meow, meow,
That's
meow,
very
meow.
good. It's just go, fuck off. Isn't that just what donkeys do anyway? I don't know if it's like that, like. that one's like, fuck this.
What the fuck is this?
You reckon that? It's two cats, right? It's two cats. Do you reckon they're actually talking? Do you reckon they actually understand what each other's saying? What?
Whoa, hold on. What the fuck was that?
It's a weird cow.
Where is she, your friend? Hey? Where's she gone? She in the other shed?
The shed. It's not a shed. I think it's been dubbed over that. I definitely got to be dubbed over. Look at his stupid bastard face.
Давай, парень. Давай, парень.
Look at it, man.
Красавец. Видно,
Ну,
ты
ну,
красавец.
выпрыгнуть куда-то такое. Давай, парень, давай.
It's actually quite scary.
Oh shit.
It's actually quite scary.
What's going on there?
I think it's asleep, isn't it? I think it's just like, is that a yawning? You fucking what? Was it? Oh man. Well, that was disturbing. So yeah, please like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.